Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the complete solution to the Grid Garden CSS game, level by level, with clear explanation for each step, whether you are stuck on a particular level or just want to understand how CSS Grid really works. This video is for you. But first, what is Grid Garden CSS Game is? Well, it's an interactive game that helps you learn CSS Grid in a fun and visual way. Your mission is to water the cards by writing CSS code to control the placement of water using grid properties. It's a perfect hand-on tool for beginners and even for those who want to sharpen their CSS Grid skills. So let's start solving all the levels together and break down the logic behind each solution. Starting by level 1. The hint says, grid column starts 3. We'll water the area starting on the third vertical grid line, which means the third grid column from the left, we need to move the water to that position. To do this, we add grid column start 3 inside of the water selector. This places the water exactly where the hint tells us to do. And just like that, we finished the level 1. Watch the next video to see how we will solve the level 2.